This is the new Rizzini Venus Sporting. As the name suggests, it's a gun designed with the lady shot in mind. There is no reason why the lady should not have equipment which is designed very much with her in mind. What is it that makes the stock specific to a woman shooter? Well, it's all to do with that triangle between the eye, the cup of the shoulder, and the center of the chest. For a lady shot, you have to have a higher comb because they tend to have a longer neck. But if you just bring the comb as high as you can, what will happen is that the butt end of the stock, which is this bit here, will actually not sit in the cup of the shoulder. You'll have the toe sticking into the hollow at the top here by the collarbone, and that's not actually very comfortable to shoot. So what you have is you have this Monte Carlo effect where the butt stock or the butt sole sits low, but the comb sits high, so that when the person is shooting with it, you can be looking down the rib, but with the butt sole in the right place. And of course, for a lady shot, the toe is not as pronounced as it would be on a standard sporting stock. It needs to be out of the way for physical reasons, I think is probably the best way of describing it. The standard length for a sporting stock for an adult male is around about 14 7/8, 15 inches to single trigger. And this one just comes in just under 14 and a half. So it takes account of the fact that the feminine stature is going to be slightly smaller. But obviously Rizzini do offer not only a choice of having the stock made to your measurements, but if you want to order a stock to a different length, either longer or shorter, that can be done without any extra cost incurred. So the engraving pattern, which is a brand new one, not overtly girly, but it's slightly more delicate than the average one. So instead of the bold scroll, this is a much finer scroll with a little bit of floral work in it as well, which is very attractive. So the Venus, as the name suggests, very much a gun for the woman shot. This one can be yours for £3,580.